Ever felt that paycheck just can't keep up with your shopping cart? You're not alone. We've all been there. But with buy now, pay later, BNPL, services exploding in popularity, options like Klarna and Beforepay are tempting. But which one is truly better? Let's dive in. Both Klarna and Beforepay offer flexible payment plans, allowing you to spread the cost of your purchases over time. But the devil's in the details. Let's break it down. 1. Eligibility and application. Klarna, known for its wider acceptance at countless online retailers. Eligibility checks are generally quick, but may be stricter for those with poor credit. Beforepay focuses on salary advances, making it suitable for those who are employed. Eligibility often hinges on your employment status and income. 2. Fees and interest. Klarna offers interest-free options, but late fees can be hefty. Some purchases may incur interest charges. Beforepay primarily focuses on salary advances with a small service fee. No interest is typically charged. 3. Repayment terms. Klarna provides various payment schedules, from 30-day interest-free periods to longer installment plans. Beforepay, repayment is usually tied to your next payday, providing short-term financial relief. 4. User experience. Klarna seamlessly integrated into online checkout processes at many retailers, making it convenient. Beforepay, app-based experience, offering a user-friendly interface for requesting and managing advances. Let's consider some scenarios. Scenario 1. Buying a new laptop. Klarna's flexible installment plans might be ideal, allowing you to spread the cost over several months. Scenario 2. Covering an unexpected car repair. Beforepay's quick salary advance could provide the immediate funds needed. Important considerations. Credit impact. While both can impact your credit score, the impact can vary. Financial responsibility. BNPL services should be used responsibly. Always ensure you can afford the repayments to avoid debt. Alternatives. Explore alternatives like credit cards or personal loans before opting for BNPL. Tips for responsible BNPL use. Create a budget. Understand your income and expenses to ensure you can afford repayments. Build an emergency fund. This safety net can help you avoid relying on BNPL for unexpected expenses. Compare offers. Don't just go with the first BNPL option you see. Compare fees, interest rates, and repayment terms. Ultimately, the better option depends entirely on your individual needs and financial situation. Consider your income, expenses, and the nature of the purchase before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.